Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Ngozi and I'm excited that you are here. Thank you for tuning in. This vlog is starting on a Monday and I have my hair in this closure wig, but behind the hairline actually. I saw it on TikTok and decided to give it a try and I like the outcome. It's pretty. Please don't mind my frizzled hair. I need to give my hair a wash and I'll be doing that this week actually. Today I have a couple of things planned out. I want to make vegetable soup later in the day, but now I want to make some beef suya and I'm currently doing laundry, so those are in the works already. And this weekend my nephew is celebrating his 1 year birthday, so we're going to be turning up and I'm excited to get dressed up and just see family and friends. In view of the preparation, I'm also going to be installing a frontal wig by myself, something I've not done before. I kind of take pride in saying that when I watch tutorials online, I kind of get it. Maybe not immediately, but maybe after a couple of tries, maybe 2 tries, I can say I can do this comfortably. But I'm taking a risk here by doing this as a first timer. So yeah, I'm going to see how that turns out. I've watched a couple of tutorials over the products listed, so I'm kind of hopeful that it turns out okay, and if it doesn't, well, we go again. But I just hoping I'm not going to damage my frontal wig. That's another thing to consider. So yeah, let's get started with the day. See ya. Let your edge out to some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from you, best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me on you, baby. You don't care. This is her. Makes us a little chance. Don't worry about mine. And let go. He was holding me to the right, but it will be in front of me. Hi guys, so I just received a package from Shein. Just a casual wear, something I tend to wear for the birthday party I mentioned. Just a casual jean and a casual shirt. So I'm going to try it on. I think it's size does large fit. Dark gray jeans. I hope this is my size. Doesn't seem bad. Let me try it on. I picked an extra large because when I was looking at the size charts and provided by the store, it's listed that the size was according to Asian sizing, so it's smaller than regular sizing. I mean UK or US, right? So I picked an extra large because I thought that it was equivalent to a large in UK. It's still big, but not too much for discomfort. I think I might still wear it, and if that day I see that I'm not really feeling it, I'll wear something else. I'm not going to return it. I don't have that energy. I just went on TikTok and I was just looking at different ways to style an oversized shirts, and I saw a couple of videos and I'll be trying it out during the weekend that I want to wear the outfit. Never hurts to have an oversized shirt in your wardrobe, does it? I am marinating the beef right now for the suya, so I think it's almost 1 hour now, but I'm going to let it sit for a while, maybe an extra 2 hours. But now I want to make the soup. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. Just start doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want? My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not for what I want. It's some me time. Hope you doing what you want. Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause the New York the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I wanna contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime, it's not going well. It's some me time. I don't know if you doing what you want. But it's been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. You doing what you want. In the meantime, just not doing what I want. It's some me time. Hi guys, welcome back. So I'm done preparing the vegetable soup. I want to finish up with the suya. This has been marinating for probably 3 hours. I just want to coat this with sauce. What I have here is vegetable oil, garlic powder, suya pepper, and smoked paprika. I think one of the best parts of cooking this vegetable soup today, right, was I didn't have to chop any vegetable. I saw a creator on TikTok use a food processor to finely chop their vegetables, and I used kale and spinach, right? So, and that's what I did. I didn't have to chop anything, and it came out pretty okay. This is what I'll be doing, honestly. Yeah. Arrange them in a row of 2, 6 per row. Right. And there are 4 beef pieces per skewer. I'm just going to brush this sauce over it. Oh, I mean preheat the oven. I forgot to preheat the oven. Let me do that. So the oven is preheating for 15 minutes at 160 degrees. That's because the oven I'm using is a convection oven, but it's slightly hotter than the conventional one. Sure. That's why I reduced the heat. Now, so I'm going to pop this straight into the oven. Hi guys. So it's a new day and today I have some things planned. I want to wash my makeup brushes and wash the frontal wig that I want to install this weekend. I've washed my makeup brushes however, but I want to wash the wig soon. And I'm listening to this audiobook. I recently heard about audiobooks. I mean, it's been a thing, but I recently, started having an interest in them like last week. So I had a couple of people, sharing the kind of books they read on like Audible, Apple Books. So I tried to give it a try, and I'm still weighing it. I don't think it's something that I would do long term. I think I still prefer reading books of hardcover or even soft copies. But I'll still give this a try. I'll still push on. I'm currently listening to a book called Lone Survival. It's a thriller written by Vince Strong. I think one of the good things about audiobooks is that you can go through an entire book in a day. Like this book I'm currently on is 5 hours long. And if I'm doing something, just on the go, I can listen to it. But yeah, I think I'm going to keep trying out to see if it will stay. So yeah, let's go get the chores for today sorted.
Alex, Babs. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I would have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair out, it's only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Boys a liar, boys a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy. Boys a liar, boys a liar. He doesn't see her. You're not looking at me, boy.
Hi guys, welcome back. Good morning. Hope you're all doing well. So today I have a couple of things planned out. Not a lot, but it's all about hair today. I want to wash my hair today to give it a good wash. I recently saw a wash day routine for relaxed hair. I have relaxed hair and my hair is not doing great. My hair is dry, is damaged, and I have dandruff. So I'm treating all this simultaneously. I recently got products that will target these problems that my hair is experiencing. Just did a deep dive online to see how best I can care for my hair, and I saw some things and I've gotten the products. So we'll do that later in the day. Now I want to prepare that wig that we wash or install tomorrow. And I saw a couple of videos online on how to prep your wig for install, and I'm going to do it. I also got a wig head from Timo, so we're going to be testing that out today. Yeah, so let's get right into it. This is the wig stand with the T-pins. This is what we hold it on the flat surface or on the table that I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to set this up now. Hopefully it's easy. So I just went online to watch a video on how to fix this, and I saw a video on TikTok.
And use just a splash of this.
So it's really helpful. I want to shift it into another position that is quite central. So this stuff moves. a solid a week from yesterday. After many minutes, this is what it's looking like. Front hair taken back and pinned down. I was seeing online that these T-pins can damage the lace. I was really careful with it, although they are quite big. They recommended those pins that tailors use. This was the only thing I had, so I just made do with it. So now I'm just going to slick this back using the hair wask.
It looks so nice. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Young girl, you look so nice, being up nice. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner. It's no one time. I need to hold a corner. And it's no one time. I need you. 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 Right now we're just taking time.
I don't tire. So I've been working on that hair since. It's not easy to be a beginner. I did my best, you guys. I did my best. If there's any tips or tricks that you know that could make the process easy or better, please let me know in the comment section. I know practice makes perfect, so I'll keep practicing. So tomorrow we'll see how it looks when we install it. But for now, I need to go wash my hair. But first, yeah, one of the things that I saw that could help dry fine hair is something they call pre-shampoo. You can either use a bond repair pre-shampoo or coconut oil. I got the shampoo bond repair instead. So that's what we're going to do today. I'll show you guys the product. What I have in my hair right now is the coconut oil, and I put a shower cap over my hair, and I've left this for 30 minutes and I want to go and wash my hair now. So I'm back. I've washed my hair. It took a long time actually because of all the disaster on my hair. I want to dry my hair. My hair was just falling off. I don't know what else my hair needs right now. I'm doing what I think it needs. Moisture, the dandruff, the breakage, using the bond repair. But I think partly is because I used the hair gel last week and I didn't wash my hair immediately, so it kind of stuck to my hair. So that is on me. That's on me. I don't know, the relationship I have with my hair is something else. I should do better. I'm currently braiding my hair myself. Like, who sends me work? The biggest challenge I have is pattern. So I'm just taking it slowly. I think the second time I'm attempting doing cornrows by myself. The first one was a hot mess. So this one, I'm just taking it slowly. I'm so tired. This side is uneven. I'm just going to do whatever here. I think this should have been this 3, 6, 7, 8. And this should have been 9. This should have been 3 instead of 2. Oh, at this point, I'm just going to leave it like this. Hi guys, good morning. Today it's Saturday and today is my nephew's birthday party, 1 year birthday party, and I'm excited to go and socialize, have fun. Remember that cornrows we did here? It's underneath this bonnet. Should we do an unboxing or a review to see the things that I did on my head? Okay, yeah. Whew, at some point I got tired. I was like, however I be. See, it's not so bad. It's manageable, right? See here, see the stark difference. You can already tell that I was getting tired because what? The back is nothing to write home about as well. But I'm going to use it. It's better than having my hair just out. So I'm going to install the wig, do some makeup, and maybe you film me, get ready with me. It just depends on how everything goes, really, and if I have time. It's currently past 10, and I hope I can finish everything before 2 p.m. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Anyways, let's get right into it.
Purchase your track today.
Are these bubbles?
No, see how this one is going up.
Yes, now.
Hey, I don't see it now. Hey, you go higher.
Anytime I day, whether night or day, I day on my chain.
Baruch, cannot see loud, you know.